Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing here at 437 Linnie Canal here in beautiful Venice Beach on the Venice Canals specifically. This is a very special home. I'm super excited to bring this to you guys. This is the former home of Red Hot Chili Peppers guitarist John Frusciante. Let's take you guys inside and give you guys a tour. Okay guys, so what we were just sitting on was a brand new dock that my client just had built. Next time I promise I will roll up on my paddleboard, especially when we sell this place. This one is a super cool, very vibey. As you can see, you got some great ceiling details. It sits right on the canal as you saw before. I'm looking at ducks and baby ducks going by and canoes and kayaks and stuff like that. This is a little over 2,000 square feet, 2 bedrooms. Title shows it as 3, but it's really 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Really good, nice floor plan. You got 1 bedroom down, primary upstairs. You got a little bit of outdoor space. So you got a kitchen with a little peninsula, I'd call it, with seating for 2, wine fridge down there, newer appliances. On the back of the house here, you have this very, very sexy additional bedroom, high ceilings, nice light. It's got a really large walk-in closet that we kind of put a day bed in there right now. It's got its own bathroom. And then here, as I mentioned, you have a little additional outdoor space here. You have a smaller 2-car garage or a larger 1-car garage. You have an additional parking right there for 1 spot right there. But you can see you have enough outdoor space. You can put barbecue, keep whatever you need out here. Let me take you guys now to the primary bedroom, which is nice because it's on the completely opposite end and opposite floor of the home. It occupies the entire top floor of this home, which is a nice feature because it gives you a lot of privacy if you have any guests staying with you. So now we're in the primary. You can see you have a nice little seating area off of the fireplace. You have very cool vaulted ceilings. It's got its own little private deck out here. Again, great place to just chill out, get some sun. It's super private, looking over the water. It's just nice. It's like a perfect sunny day right now. I wish I wasn't working and doing this and I was just hanging here and getting some sun. Thank you guys so much for joining us here at 437 Linnie Canal. What I love most about this home, besides sort of the energy and the vibe that's here, is the location is like a 10 out of 10. You're 1 bridge over from Venice Boulevard, so you have Erewhon at the end of the street there. You got Windward Circle right there, which means you have Great White, Grand Blanco, Bell's Beach House, Venice Breakwater to go surf, Venice Skate Park, the boardwalk. You're perfectly positioned right between those and Abbot Kinney, so you got all the restaurants and shopping you could possibly need there. So if you guys know anybody looking for a world-class location with a super cool house, hit us up.